Hello and welcome to Health, Fitness, and Nutrition with teacher Danielle from Hyperactive English. I am so excited to bring you today's workshop, and it's all about pre and post workout nutrition. Our nutrition is just as important as the workout we are going to do. Because if our diet or the way we eat doesn't reflect what we're trying to accomplish, we're never going to get the gains or the losses that we're looking to see. Certain nutrition is better before and after certain workouts, and that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's start with our cardio workouts, our runs, our speed walks, our Zumba classes, our kickboxing classes, our spinning classes. So those classes where we are exerting a lot of calories. For those types of classes, we need easy to eat digestible snacks before we start to sweat. So one trick or one recipe is a large pear, and on top of that, you sprinkle a drizzle a little bit of honey. The pear, which is full of water and nutrition and vitamins, will help you stay hydrated while you work out, while the sugar from the pear and the honey will give you a nice steady burst of energy. So not like the sugar high from eating candy, but a nice released energy. Then after the workout, you're going to want to hydrate, but also have some protein there. So they would suggest chocolate milk with the banana. So even if it's not cow milk, alternative types of milk also work just as well. Let's say we're doing a HIIT workout or a circuit interval workout. There, we need simple carbs to rev up our bodies because our bodies are engines that need to get ready. With that, I would suggest one slice of whole wheat bread with 1.5 tablespoons of any type of preserve that you like. You'll get the carbs and after our HIIT workout, we need proteins to build and help repair our muscles. So I would suggest avocado toast with 2 tablespoons of avocado and 3 tablespoons of any type of cheese. Not sliced yellow cheese, but any type of real cheese. So you get the carbs and you get the proteins and you get the nice healthy fats to start replenishing and rebuilding your muscle. Now we'll move on to our toning workouts. So our power flow yogas, our Pilates, or our bar training. So those we need a balanced snack. So we need our carbohydrates, proteins, and our fat. Here they suggest 1 clementine and a handful of pistachios. We happen to like chili tahini flavored pistachios, but it works just as well because it's the combination of the carbs, the proteins, and the fats that will help you sustain energy. After a toning workout, we're still staying with our balanced snacks. So a 1/2 cup of hummus with a medium carrot cut up in sticks, just to make it a lot more fun to eat, right? And for our weight training, so our CrossFit, our dumbbells, our lifting weights, trying to get our muscles into great shape. Protein, protein, protein. Protein grows the muscles and it aids in recovery. So a really lovely pre-workout snack would be a cup of edamame. I normally have frozen edamame, but for some reason we don't have it. But yes, a cup of edamame. Afterwards, we're still sticking to the protein. I would suggest a cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt with a 1/4 cup of berries, strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, because not only are you getting that delicious protein, but we're also getting a little bit of recovery sugar as well. If you don't have plain yogurt and you have yogurt with the fruit already in it, just make sure that you look for the amount of protein. You want the most protein possible. And also keep in mind that because you have the fruit already in it, there's going to be slightly higher chance of having added sugar in what you're using. This is why natural plain yogurt is the best idea. But You know your body, you know what you have available. Always start with what you have available before you go shopping for anything else. So that's our pre and post workout nutrition. I hope you enjoyed and learned something and had a little fun with me. So if you're feeling my vibe, like and subscribe, or hop on over to Hyperactive English every Saturday afternoon and join in our health, fitness, and nutrition workshops. Bye!